channel. So now we are at the Phuket International Airport, but this is for domestic flights only, not like the international flight. So we're heading to Bangkok, and you can see we got here very early. Our flight is still not ready. What time is our flight? 11, right? So it's 11:30. And what's the time now? So it's 9:20. We got here exactly 8:50 thereabouts because we don't want to be in any delays or anything of that sort. So we got here very early, and I'm going to show you around. So we are still going with the economy class from Phuket to Bangkok airport. So I'll show you everything from the plane, the services, the cabin crews, their services, and everything. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yes, I saw this robot cleaning machine, and I was amazed. It's beautiful. So we're still waiting for our flight. In Phuket Airport, domestic flight, doesn't look too busy. Because, yeah, probably people living here are just going to the close by cities.
Attention please.
Okay guys, so we just bypassed the immigration, and trust me, the immigration here is like nothing I've ever seen before. They even made us remove our shoes. Like, even when we were leaving Qatar to Phuket, they never made us remove our shoes from the at the immigrations. But for some reason over here, they made us remove our shoes from the immigrations. They need to scan my bag, especially twice. They asked me to open my laptop. Well, I don't know. Maybe they're thinking people take things from here to to Bangkok. But anyways, the airport is cool, natural, everything over here. Even the water, I feel like it was just taken right from the ground. If it tastes very heavy, but it's natural and it's nice. So yeah, we're just waiting. We have about 1 hour to our flight, so we're still going to wait until our flight is ready. Then we just move to Bangkok. So in the plane, I'll show you whatever goes on. Stay safe. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your own safety, please stow your personal belongings in the overhead bin or under the seat.
Okay, guys. So we are finally on board. Our flight delayed a little bit. We were supposed to leave Phuket by 11:20, but now it's. We were supposed to leave. We were supposed to take off 11:30, but now it's 11:50. So I don't know why the flight delayed, but it's all good. So from Phuket to Bangkok, the flight is just going to take about 1 hour and 10 minutes. But guess if you go by a road trip, how many hours? Not less than 8 hours, like 10 hours max. Yes, so it's better to go by air, and sometimes also to save money, because if you try to go on a road trip, I don't know, for those people who have tried, they say they need to buy more gas, and all of that. So I think it's much better if you go with an airline, so can save you some time and some stress as well. So we're already on board. We'll be leaving for Bangkok very soon, and I'll give you more details soon.
และจมูกหายใจตามปกติจนกว่าจะได้ยินคำสั่งให้ถอดควรสวมหน้ากากให้ตัวเองก่อนสวมให้ผู้ที่อยู่ภายใต้ความดูแลของท่าน If the cabin pressure is lost, the oxygen mask will be dropped automatically from the ceiling compartment. Pull mask toward you and cover mask over your nose and mouth. Continue using the mask until advised by cabin crew. Secure your own mask before assisting to those under your care. เสื้อชูชีพอยู่ใต้ที่นั่งของท่าน สวมเสื้อลงทางศีรษะ สอดตัวล็อกทั้งสองด้านเข้าด้วยกัน ปรับสายรัดให้แน่นก่อนออกจากเครื่องบิน กระตุกแถบสีแดงเพื่อให้เสื้อชูชีพพองลง เป่าท่อนี้
Okay guys, so now we are at the Bangkok airport. Yes, so we need to catch a train to our apartment. So this is how basically the airport looks like. No, thank you. So they're asking us if we want to go with taxi. I want to explore, so I would better go with the MRT. Is that MRT, right?
SRT.
SRT. So that's the train. So we need to go with the red line. We need to go look for the red line. So overall, the flight was amazing. It was smooth, and I love it so far. Just that I thought there was going to be food on board, but this is a local, or let's say a domestic airline, so don't really serve food. Yep. Even they were selling the water on board, because I saw one of the cabins and I asked them if I could have a bottle of water. They said it's 60 baht. I said, well, okay, so now we need to go to the second floor. That is what we're doing. Hey guys, are you tired?
Yes.
Are you sleepy, right?
Yes.
I'm not sleepy.
Why?
Because I don't sleep just like that. Anyways, so guys, now that I'm in Bangkok, I'm gonna do a lot of vlogging. I hope you like all of them. Stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are so hungry. We came to the shop to get some food. So for me, I bought croissant. This is one thing so far I like about Thailand. This is like a sandwich already made, so you just need to put in the toaster and then make it hot. Like within 1 minute, it's done. It's fresh. And I was eating this all the time that I stayed in Phuket. Now I'm in Bangkok. I'm eating the same. Overall, I love Thailand. Food. If you come to Thailand and you don't find anything to eat, or you don't like their food, it's just because you haven't found what you love yet. Because trust me, there are a lot of foods over here that you can definitely pick your choice. Like look at that.